How to disable Xbox game bar in 2025 in Windows 11. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you need to go to the Windows search bar and search for PowerShell, and that's Windows PowerShell, and you just have to simply click on it, and then you just have to write this command like get apx package all users Microsoft Xbox gaming overlay remove fx package, and enter. Press enter after that. As I have already done this deployment, that's why this is looking like this. Your deployment should be done and it should not look like this. And after that, you just can simply restart your Windows PC, and then you can check for Windows and G button by pressing Windows and G button, and see that the Xbox game bar will not appear anymore. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.